Client wanted me to take this plain gnome and turn it into a Arizona Cardinals football team gnome. So that's what I did. KUT here, back with another video. This will be a commission painting video. This guy contacted me. He wanted me to paint this Garden Gnome for him with a Cardinals theme to it. So this is shouldn't be too difficult. Some space on the back if I want to do like a jersey, put a number or something on there or whatever. He said just do your thing, make it Cardinals. So the main thing is just the colors will be, they're red and black. Red, black, and white is the Cardinals colors. I'll probably do his beard like gray. Then he got flesh tone. His hands will be flesh tone, and his ears, yeah, both ears are showing. Then his hand behind his back will be flesh tone. Belt, I'll probably do the belt black. You know what I'm saying? Like I already want to be black, so I'll do the belt black. The buckle will be silver. And he got these like elf type shoes on, so I could turn them into some Nikes or something, but I'll see. I might just do them black or gray. And he got pants. Pants will be black or red or something. So that's what I'm gonna do. I may try to get a Cardinals decal or something for the front or on the side. I don't know. Do two on one on each side. Something. So I'll hook it up. Or just the word Cardinals on it. So he said anything Cardinals, he told me to do my thing with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here I'm mixing up some, I had some pink, I need a flesh tone, so I'm mixing up some pink that I already had with some white. That should give it the color that I need, hopefully. This is a little too light right now, I'm going to have to add some more pink or red. So if you do pink or red, that'll give you the tone. You probably drop a little orange in there. That can give you that flesh tone that I'm looking for. More of like a pinkish hue to it. So here we go. It's getting there. It's getting there, sort of. And that is like that. White is really overpowering this, so I'm gonna have to go even more. A little of that, a little orange too. Drop a little orange in there. Just a small little bit because these colors, man, these Liquitex paint really. I use these Liquitex. They're pretty good. But the pink I'm using is this cheaper brand. It's that Craft Smart stuff I'm using. I typically use Liquitex. I'll use anything. And I'm mixing, typically you don't mix brands like that, but I do. I don't care. So yeah, as I mix this up, I'll pull a little orange in there, not a whole lot. Yeah, so it's getting there. It's looking more fleshy. I think this is ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting his face and everything. And to do that, I'm going to start with a tiny brush to get all my paint, the face. So I'm going to go all up in here with a small brush, all around here, all around the nose, everything, all in those little crevices. Use this real tiny brush. I need brushes. This is like a horrible brush, but I can still make it work. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. So this will work. This will work. Still painting. So we're making some good progress on this gnome. He was all white, did the suit red, did his beard gray, then I started adding the white highlights to it to give it that real gray look. I think it's coming out pretty good. I did him like a pink face with some pink hands. The only stuff I had to do is I got to get some detailing done to it to make it really a Cardinals thing. I left his gnome hat white for right now. I'll probably try to do some Cardinals logo stuff. Black belt. I'm going to do the shoes are going to be black. I did his white pants. I'll probably do a stripe, kind of like he got a jersey on. I mean, football pants on. And I'm going to do his coat, kind of like a jersey. So we shall see. And he got his hand behind his back. I guess that's some kind of gnome stuff. I don't know anything about these or about what they're all about. I guess like an elf. I don't know. Probably got some deeper meaning to it. But yeah, so that's where we are right now. And also I did his mouth like a red color. It's coming out pretty good. Gray eyebrows, everything. Now on the shoes. So we're getting close to being done, minus the details. I'm going to do his belt buckle silver, and I'm going to touch up with black. Around here I'm going to have to touch the white up again. I'm going to actually do another coat of white. The hair's looking good. I did it gray and then I added some white to it to give it like a gray haired look. The face is good. I did it like a pink color or peach pink color, flesh tone. And I just touched the bottom of his foot. Got paint on me, but it's coming along good. If you ever have to paint a beard, do lay down gray paint, then go back with white and just touch it up with a small brush or a bigger brush. Just different tones, give different shades, different tones. White hat, dunce hat, whatever it is. And I had these decals right here. These are water slide decals. I'm so glad I had some made already because I did some. I made necklaces a few years ago and I was using these. Just making water slide decals and adding them to wood and then adding the chain and stuff. I was making these necklaces. So you can see these cardinal. I don't even know if they're showing up. Sun glare. Nice sunshine out there. But yeah, so I got these and I'm gonna add these to the hat, all like around the front. And I'm also gonna use these. I have these fake stones, these rhinestones. They're plastic. I got them at a Michael's a while ago, back when I was doing some other project. So I'm gonna add these shiny stones, probably to the hat, and possibly to the coat. So I'll see, but I'm thinking just to the hat. Give the hat a little shine to it by using these stones. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. And once I get that stuff done, I'll see what else I can add to it to make it cool. I don't want to do too much. Don't want to overdo it. But I was thinking about something on the back, maybe. I don't know. Cardinals, or maybe cardinals across the stomach. Maybe cardinals right across there. It might work. I'll look at it. I'll check it out.
What's going on? And things were caught.
So I'm going to add water to this. This is where
This is a problem.
I'll dip these decals in here. These are water slide decals. Most people who do models and stuff, they know about these. Water slides are better than stickers because they're a lot thinner and they lay flat to the surface of whatever you're adding it on. It's almost seems like it's a part of whatever it is. So when I add it to this hat, it'll be smooth. It'll be cool. It's a lot better than a thick sticker. You never want a sticker on like a model or anything.
Yeah, making death threats at the funeral home.
Like that. And one thing you can do is where'd it go? Oh, here it is. One thing you can do is you can wet the surface of where you're going to put it. So I'm going to put this one up high. So I'm going to wet this surface right here. These decals are kind of brittle, so I can see it's already trying to crack a little bit. So I'll add this one up here. And just roll it around like that, and then there we go. It stays. Should stay. Yeah, stay. Add a little more water. I can see this is trying to curl up, so I'm gonna oh, that's shining. It's trying to curl up, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this solution to it. It'll help it stick. So put a little under there. And when this is all done, I'm going to clear coat the whole thing to seal these decals in and to seal the paint in, because the client is going to put this in his yard. So adding the stones. So I'm using Gorilla Glue. Just add a little bit to the back of the stones. And find an area, kind of space them out. And stick a stone. Stick it on there. I don't know why they're kind of not coming off my tweezers, but I might have a little glue on there. Come on. There we go. So once it come off, just press for a few seconds. Can't see it, but press the stone with your finger. Don't get glue on your finger because stuff is strong. It's like crazy glue. So there we go, adding on the stones. So I'm gonna add a couple more to the back here and it'll be done. Probably about another, I can eyeball it, one, maybe another one, two, yeah, another three. So the gnome is complete. Face painted, beard, hat, added stones, added a few Cardinals decals. Client wanted me to take this plain gnome and turn it into a Arizona Cardinals football team gnome. So that's what I did. Got the Cardinals there. Red, black, and white. Yeah, he look Cardinals. So this guy, he'll stand him outside his house, I guess. Yep, he's painted this dry. Yeah, all dry. All dry. He got his hand behind his back. I still wonder what that means. I don't know. If anybody knows, drop it in the comments. Also, like, share, subscribe to this channel. I do art, a little chit chat, a little talk, some unboxings, different things like that. I'm an artist. Put some work in once in a while, like this. Garden Gnome, did his beard. So, subscribe to the channel. I'll check y'all out later. Alright, y'all. Peace.